Hey guys, a couple of days ago I did a review on the T-79 recall that I had done at the dealer, and I had some requests to do some follow-up on that to see if anything had changed. And I can tell you that although this was not part of the recall, as far as I know, the recall had to do with the latching mechanism that keeps the truck in park. But it did improve my shifting while you're standing still from drive to reverse. I always back my truck into the garage, and I always seem to have to kind of jiggle it a little bit when I get to go into reverse. I'll get all the yellow, the park, the reverse, neutral, and drive light. They'll all come on yellow. And then you kind of got to get this shift lever over the R and kind of jiggle it a little bit to get it in. And I thought, well, maybe that's part of the recall, but I don't know. Maybe it is, maybe it's not. But one thing I can tell you is that whatever they did to it, and I watched him for a good while and was pretty well bored. It was mostly doing electronic reflashing and that sort of thing. He never did go into the actual steering column and the mechanism that holds it in park. Of course, I'm sitting here in my garage right now, so I'm going to try to do a little demonstration on it for you. But you can see that when I go to reverse now, it's pretty stable and solid. You know, it's not iffy like it was before. But it's not doing that anymore, and I'm happy about that. And that's the result of the T-79. That may not be part of the reason. That may not be the reason why they did it, but it certainly helped. Whatever flash they did on the truck, I didn't see them lift the truck up and do any adjustments on the transmission cable. You know, one might think, well, that's an adjustment on the transmission cable that needs to be done, and I was kind of starting to think that way. But I think it was all electronic actually, and as you can see, it's very solid now. There's none of that yellow light business going on, and so I just wanted to show you that and report back to those that are interested that it did help. That if you having that problem, it definitely did help, and I recommend getting the T-79 done because it took care of that problem for me. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it, and until next time, adios.